Listen up. If you're over 25, your body is begging for a wake-up call. This is not a drill. You are losing time. Your body is not what it was 5 years ago, and if you don't take control now, you're headed straight for exhaustion, weight gain, brain fog, and a long, painful decline that you could have prevented. Because here's the truth. Your body is breaking down. Slowly, silently, in ways you don't even notice. Until one day, you wake up, look in the mirror, and realize you don't recognize yourself. That extra weight wasn't there before. That stiffness in your back, that's new. The energy you used to have, gone. And guess what? It's not going to get better unless you do something. This is where it gets real. Your body after 25. The harsh reality. By the time you hit 25, your metabolism is slowing down. Not by a little, by a lot. That means if you're still eating, drinking, and sitting like you did in your early 20s, your body is storing more fat, working slower, and making you feel weaker. But it doesn't stop there. Muscle loss begins. If you're not actively building strength, your muscles are shrinking. That toned body, it's fading. And with less muscle, your metabolism tanks even more, leading to even faster fat gain. Your hormones? Changing. Testosterone drops in men. Estrogen fluctuates in women. That means slower recovery, mood swings, and yes, more stubborn belly fat. Even your brain is taking a hit. Memory lapses, mental fatigue, trouble focusing. These aren't just normal signs of aging. They're signs that your brain isn't getting what it needs, and it only gets worse from here. Let's not even talk about what's happening to your joints. You're losing lubrication, cartilage is breaking down, and if you're not taking care of yourself, you're setting yourself up for chronic pain. The biggest lie you've been told. You've been told this is just how aging works. Lie. You've been told feeling tired all the time is normal. Lie. You've been told weight gain after 25 is just part of life. Lie. The truth? Most people aren't aging. They're decaying, slowly, comfortably, willingly, because they're not willing to fight for their health. But you have a choice. Right now. You can either sit back, let time take over, and watch yourself deteriorate, or you can take control. What your body is begging for. Your body doesn't want you to be weak. It doesn't want you to be exhausted, bloated, foggy, and in pain. It's literally begging for what it needs. The question is, are you listening? Move. Every single day. If you're not exercising, your body is shutting down. Period. You don't need a gym, you don't need a fancy routine, but you need to move. Walk, lift, stretch, do something. Stop eating like a teenager. Junk food, processed garbage, sugar-filled drinks, these are killing you. Your body needs real food, protein, healthy fats, vegetables. If it wasn't around 100 years ago, don't eat it. Drink more water. You feel tired? You're probably dehydrated. You feel weak? Dehydration. Joint pain? Dehydration. Stop running on empty. Sleep like your life depends on it, because it does. Lack of sleep is literally destroying your body. It wrecks your hormones, slows your metabolism, weakens your brain, and shortens your lifespan. If you're not sleeping, you're dying faster. Build strength. Your muscles are either growing or they're shrinking. There's no in between. Lifting weights isn't just for bodybuilders. It's for anyone who wants to live longer, feel stronger, and burn fat 24/7. Fix your posture before it's too late. Slouching, forward head posture. These aren't just cosmetic problems. They're leading to chronic pain, nerve damage, and breathing issues. Stand up straight. Fix it now. Get sunlight. You're not supposed to live under artificial lights all day. Get outside. Absorb vitamin D. Reset your body's natural rhythm. It's free medicine. Stop making excuses. You're too tired? Move anyway. You don't have time? Make time. You don't feel motivated? Do it anyway. The consequences of ignoring this message. You can ignore this. You can keep living the way you're living. But understand something. The price of neglecting your body is pain. It's weight gain, it's exhaustion, it's joint problems, it's brain fog, it's chronic disease. And by the time you finally wake up and realize what's happening, it might be too late. You don't get a second chance at your health. You don't get to rewind the clock. The time to act is now. The choice is yours. You can choose to keep making excuses. You can keep pretending you'll start next week. But deep down, you know that if you don't make changes today, you'll regret it. Or you can decide that today is the day you take control. Today is the day you stop letting your body fall apart. Today is the day you listen to what your body has been begging for. What happens next is up to you. Your body is either breaking down or getting stronger. There is no standing.